Good morning, children. Today we are here to discuss Unit 7 Coal and Petroleum of 8th class. Within this particular chapter, we are at one topic. The topic is energy sources and misuse of energy sources and consequences, harmful effects of a particular one we are going to discuss. These three topics we are going to get discussed within this particular class. First of all, come to energy source. What is called as an energy source? A source which is useful energy in a source from which useful energy we are extracting. We are extracting what? Useful energy, or recovering that particular useful energy either directly or indirectly in the form of conversion or transformation. Example, if I take carbon element I have taken, if I am burning that particular carbon in presence of oxygen, it releases certain gas. That gas is called as carbon dioxide. Not only that one, when it is burning, little bit amount of heat energy will be get liberated. Means converting from solid to liquid state. In the form of solid fuels, we are converting it, we are taking it, we are extracting energy. In the form of liquid fuels, we are extracting energy. In the form of solar energy, also we can extract by means of biomass. Also, we can extract energy. This is called as nothing but what? So, energy we can call it up, or energy of sources. These energies of sources, so many sources are there, but we are taking some major sources of energies. What are those? First one is what? Electrical energy sources. Electrical energy source, from where we can extract? From fossil fuel we are extracting. From fossil fuel in the form of by using we are having a thermal electricity preparation there. Fossil fuel extraction we can extract, and not only that one, hydroelectricity also we can extract through water, we can generate it up. This is one source of energy. Next one is what? Clean energy resources. What are clean energy resources? We can call it as nothing but what? Solar energy is called as clean energy resource. Wind energy is also called as clean energy resource. Geothermal energy is also called as clean energy resource. Bioenergy is also called as clean energy resource. Not only that one, nuclear energy can also be called as what? A clean energy resources we can call it up. From all these things we can extract energy. Solar radiation, nowadays solar towers they are constructing it up to utilize the radiation of the sun. Different articles, solar cookers came into exist. Not only that one, solar electrical energy supplying also. Nowadays we are utilizing it. Solar watches also are coming into exist. They are existing there. Therefore, for various purposes, solar energy, wind energy, tidal energy. By utilizing tidal energy, different mills can be get run to convert corn into a powder in the form of flour. We can utilize this particular wind energy. This wind energy is also useful to extract water from a well onto the field. We can do it. Geothermal energy as well as bioenergy utilization and nuclear energy, for various purposes we can utilize these all energies. Next one is what? Renewable sources of energies. Reutilization of energy sources are also existing. Among that, solar energy is reutilized, wind energy is also reutilized. Therefore, reutility of a particular sources, if it is existing, from which we can extract energy, this is also called as energy sources. Not only that one, hydrogen fuels, hydrogen as well as cell fuel sources also exist in there, from which it can produce a quantity of energy. These all energy sources are helpful for us to perform various activities. To perform various activities, these all type of energy sources will be helpful for us. Not only that one, for the running of various machines, industries, etc. so on, we have to utilize these types of sources of energy. Among these all energies, we have to utilize some energies and we have to perform the activities there itself. Therefore, energy is a source of energy. Energy sources are they are playing a prominent role in the life of human activities. Therefore, while utilizing these all activities, we have to take a proper care. Why means among that exhaustible natural resources are there, inexhaustible natural resources are there. Exhaustible natural resources are nothing but what? Coal, petroleum, natural gas. Already we have seen about those all topic we have studied within the chapter, and how they are forming and how they can be get depleted as years pass on. As years goes on, what happened there? Nowadays it is very difficult to identify coal. At certain place, in the olden days when our grandfathers are used to be there, they used to cook food with what? Wood as well as coal. So that we used to see coal can be abundantly formed in those areas there itself. But nowadays if we go for coal, it is difficult to identify nearby our houses. Why means what? Nowadays we are utilizing all different types of natural gases as well as petroleum substances for various appliances we are using it up. So if you are not utilizing properly those all natural sources, energy sources, they may be get depleted. After a certain period of time, we are unable to identify what are exhaustible natural resources. It is very difficult to identify. Therefore, we have to take a proper care while utilizing those all energy sources. If you are not utilizing it, what happened? Some misuse of energy sources and consequences. He has given why this particular topic as enrolled in our textbook means to understand and to analyze how we have to take care about usage of energy sources. First one is what? If it comes to household appliances, if we are going it up, misuse of energy resources, as well as consequences. First of all, dryers as well as washing machines. Nowadays, what happens there itself to after doing head bath, directly they are keeping electrical appliance by keeping plugged by using dryer. They want to dry up their hairs. It doesn't have much patience to stand in sunlight. If you go and stand in sunlight for some period of time, what happens there itself? The total hair can get dry up very soon. But children are that much lazy they are becoming, and they want to misuse that particular energy in the form of dryers as well as washing machines. Washing machine means what happened there? To wash clothes, in olden days they used to clean clothes. Nowadays what happened? It is creating people very much laziness, so that what happened there itself, a lot of energy can be consumed there, so that what happened, a high electric power consumption can be taken place, due to which what happened there itself, electric energy can become much more costly in further days. At present also electrical energy is becoming day by day, the unit rate is gradually increasing. Why means all the people are highly habituated for sophisticated things without utilizing they don't want to perform any work with their body, but with all the machines they want to perform their work. Due to that reason, what happens, their electrical power day by day it is consumption of electricity unit is also gradually increasing as days pass on. Therefore, we have to take a little bit care while utilizing household appliances. Not only that, next one is what? If it comes to what? In household appliances also, if you go for fans as well as tube lights. The running of fan can also be worked upon what? Electricity. Functioning tube light is also based upon what? Electricity. Consumption of electricity. In our home, we will be that much lazy that what happened that as we are going out of that particular room, we never used to switch off the fan or switch off the tube. It used to be run continuously in that way. So what happened? Consumption of energy will be taken place a lot. As consumption of electricity, power, the energy source is consuming day by day. What happened? In further years, it will be very much difficult. The rate of that particular electricity will be high. It will be very high. Due to that reason, it becomes very difficult for us to survive life on surface of the earth. Next one is what? Environmental problems. Nowadays, if we go into for children are much more fascinating to run vehicles. What are there existing at home? Bikes as well as all other different types of vehicles, motor cars, etc. So on. Children are much more fascinated. They want to learn car. They want to ride the bike. For shortest distance also, if mama asks us to go and bring one vegetables from nearby shop, for that particular distance also, what we will do, we will take bike and just we want to go it up. It has become a fashion for the children there. So due to that reason, what happens there, a lot of consumption will be taken place of petrol as well as diesel. So what happened? Fossil fuels will be what happened there? The extra fossil fuels which will become as what depleted. They cannot be exist for a long period of time. Utility of fossil fuel is gradually increasing day by day for everything. For fuel consumption is gradually increasing. Due to that reason, not only that one, as we are running more number of motorbikes as well as cars, what happened there? A lot of pollution can be produced. That pollution it may make us in health also there. Therefore, little bit care we have to take it up while using bikes as well as vehicles. If it is nearby a shortest distance, instead of going on a bike, utilize bicycle. If not, by walk you can go it up. By means daily if you walk, we will be much more healthy. Therefore, that particular care if you take it up, environmental pollution to some extent can also be get protected there. Next one is what? Misusage of watching TV as well as gadgets. Different electronic devices, children they are utilizing for various purposes. Misusing of that particular one. To be get charged, we have to connect it to what? Electric power there itself. TV, if it is running there itself, some children what they will switch on the TV and just they will go outside and they play with their children. Children doesn't have that much idea regarding how to utilize that particular power, electric power, what is this thing. We have to educate the people, educate our children how to utilize, how to watch the TV as well as utility of gadgets, so that to some extent we can avoid power consumption also. Not only that one, this power consumption can be done, much more wastage of power consumption can be done during festival times. During parties, wedding anniversaries, if you take up any function there itself, a lot of power consumption will be taken place. Electric power is consumed much more. So, to avoid these all things, these all are nothing but what? Misuse of energy sources and consequences. In future, if we are utilizing in this way only, what happened there? In future, we may not have energy to utilize anything else. Therefore, a proper care must be taken place to utilize all energy sources. Water usage also, if you come into one more point, is what? Usage of water. Tap will be get open in our home and will be running continuously. If you go for municipality tap also, it doesn't have tap there, on off tap won't be there, nozzle won't be get existing there, it will be continuously flowing up there itself. So that due to that reason only, in olden days, we never used to purchase water. but we are purchasing now for 15 rupees a bottle of 15 liters. 1 rupee 1 liter we are purchasing it up. If you go for Kenley water bottle, it is of 20 rupees it will be there. Means the cost of water in those days, in olden days, we never used to purchase water, but nowadays we are purchasing water. Why? Due to pollution, increasing of pollution. Water is getting polluted. Due to that reason, what we are taking, we require purest water, so that what happens, which doesn't harm our health. Therefore, we are purchasing water. Therefore, utility of water has to be done in a proper way. If we are utilizing in a proper way, proper utility can be done. That is regarding misuse of energy, resources, sources as well as consequences. Harmful effects. What will be the harmful effect when we are misusing that particular energy sources? First one is what? Carelessness in handling petroleum products, such as while refining petroleum, while holding petrol and bringing to some other place there itself. We must be much more care in handling those petroleum products. If not, what happens? Slight fire, total body will be get boiled. Total body will be get burnt up. Total body will be get burnt up. Therefore, a proper cautiousness will have to take place while utilizing proper petroleum products in itself. Not only that, burning fuel releases toxic gases. Either when you are running vehicles, motorbikes, when you are running industries, at that particular time, what happened? A lot of toxic gases will be releases into atmosphere. It can also pollute atmosphere. If atmosphere is get polluted, what happens there? There will be harmful to our health. They will be harmful to our health. Therefore, we have to be a little bit care in utility of water, burning of phenolic substances there. Climatic burning of fuel takes place. What happens? Climatic changes will be taken place, such as our greenhouse gas effect. That is what global warming can also be taken place. Due to that reason, we have to be a little bit care while utilizing all energy sources. If I fire coal substances, it emits mercury as well as selenium products. Due to that reason, selenium as well as arsenic, lead, in addition to that of global harming that of gases will be get produces, which creates environmental to be get polluted there. These all are nothing but what? Harmful effects of our energy sources. If you study if you utilize this particular all energy sources in a proper way, we can control all the harmful things. What else are going to be happen to us as well as society? So children, while utilizing these all energy sources, try to utilize in a proper way and make an India bright. Thank you for watching this class. Thank you children.